Hi guys, welcome back to our complete web development course. In this video, we will learn about text formatting. So without any further intro, let's get started. Text formatting in HTML. There is a list of elements in HTML for defining a text with a special meaning. In a web page there we have lots of texts which we wanted to highlight, so that is why formatting elements are designed. Here is a list of HTML formatting elements and their functions. B tag. It is used to display bold text. Strong tag. It is used to display an important text. I tag. It is used to display an italic text. Subtag. It is used to display a subscript text. Ins tag. It is used to describe an inserted text. Small tag. It is used to describe a small text. Del tag. It is used to describe a deleted text. Big tag. It is used to describe a big text. Mark tag. It is used to describe a marked text. Now, let's write a code to see the functions of these formatting elements. Here we have write all the elements that we have discussed earlier. You can pause the video to check it. Now if we run this code, you can clearly see here the text written inside the formatting elements is different from the normal text. So that is for this video. I hope you guys like it, share it with other developers and also subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you next time, till then, bye bye.